Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana project templates for faster planning, complete guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will explore how to configure Asana project templates for faster planning. Begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the Projects tab in the left sidebar. Click on the New Project button to create a new project. Select the option for Use Template. Asana offers various templates based on project types. Pick a template that best fits your needs. Once you've selected your template, give your project a unique name. Customize the project settings according to your requirements. In the template view, familiarize yourself with the sections provided. Identify any tasks that need adjustment or further detail. You can add new tasks by clicking the Add Task button. If necessary, modify existing tasks by clicking on them and editing the details. Consider adding due dates to important tasks for better time management. Adjust assignees to ensure each task has the right team member responsible. You can also include subtasks for more complex tasks by expanding each task. Add custom fields if needed to track additional information specific to your project. Save any changes made to the tasks or sections. Once you finish customizing, click on the Save as Template option. This saves your project as a reusable template. To access your templates later, navigate back to the Projects tab. Select Templates in the drop-down options. Here, you'll find all the templates you've created. To use a template, click on it and then select Use Template. Fill in any new project details before finalizing. Now you're ready to start your new project using your customized template. By following these steps, you'll streamline your project planning process in Asana. This will save you time and enhance team productivity. Remember, effective project templates can be a game changer in your workflow. And that's how to configure Asana project templates for faster planning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.